Hello, we're on our way to our location now. We're going to sleep out in the night. Tonight's sleep out is for the Great Tommy Sleep Out, which raises money for homeless veterans. If you'd like to make a donation, please follow the link below and make a donation there. And I'll bring you back when we arrive to where we're going to. Getting closer to our site where we're staying tonight. It's a real walking this way in the dark. I've been this way loads of times by the train when I actually walked along the old, well, it's one of the old inclines before the old Morgan tunnel was built. So yeah, we got plenty to eat and drink when we get there. And I'll bring you back when we arrive. Right, we've made it after a little walk, and we're now arrived at Dduallt. It's where we'll be spending the night. There's nice little station over here. Cooking our dinner. We have sausage and burgers in that one, and some bacon in that one. Yum.